Hello everyone, welcome to Globetrot with Taj, and today we will go to the Princess of Hill Stations, Kodaikanal. We started our journey from Bangalore around 5:30 am. The total distance was around 440 kilometers and it took us nearly 12 to 14 hours including a few breaks along the way. Around 9 am, we stopped at Saravana Bhavan vegetarian restaurant for breakfast. The food was very good and our kids really enjoyed it. After driving for about 6 hours, we took another break at Dindigul around 3 pm for lunch at Garden Restaurant. Dindigul is very famous for its delicious Dindigul biryani and we tried the same. After another 6 hours of driving, we finally reached our homestay Le Chamin. It was near Kodaikanal Lake and we reached our homestay at around 9 pm and we were quite tired, so we decided to rest and didn't go out that night. On day 2, we started our journey at around 9 am. The weather was pleasant and the day was sunny. We eventually reached Pillar Rocks, where the fog slowly began to roll in and soon completely covered the view, creating a magical atmosphere. Now we are heading to Guna Cave. It is about 3 km from Pillar Rocks. As we entered the area, we noticed a large crowd. We planned our journey on Christmas vacation. Maybe the crowd is because of that. Entry into the actual caves, also known as the Devil's Kitchen, is strictly restricted due to safety concerns. However, visitors can still enjoy the exterior view and the surrounding valley, which is very beautiful. Around 2:30 pm, we stopped for lunch at Hilltop Inn restaurant. After lunch, the kids played around for some time, had some ice cream, and then we headed to Kodaikanal Lake. The lake is very beautiful and there is no entry fee, and it is open from 6 am to 5 pm, with evenings being the best time to visit. You can do boating, shopping, and many more activities with your loved one here. The kids had a lot of fun by the lake. After that, we headed to Crocker's Walk, which was very close to our homestay. We spent a good amount of time there. Crocker's Walk is a beautiful scenic walkway in Kodaikanal, stretching for about 1 kilometer along the edge of steep slopes. It offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding valleys, plains, and distant hills. On clear days, visitors can even spot dolphins' nose in the distance. The walkway is well maintained and is especially popular during early morning and evening when the weather is cool and refreshing. On day 3, we started our journey around 8:30 am. After about 2 hours of driving, we stopped at a roadside shop for breakfast. The weather was a beautiful mix of fog and clouds, and we truly enjoyed the drive. The temperature was around 9 to 10 degrees centigrade in the morning. We finally reached Mannavannu Lake at around 1:30 pm. The entry fee was 30 per person plus camera charges. We had lunch at the Mannavannu Lake canteen, where the food was fresh and satisfying. After a short trek, we reached the lakeside. Mannavannu Lake is located within a government sheep farm and is known for its pristine waters, open grasslands, and European-style countryside scenery. The area offers several adventure activities such as coracle rides, kayaking, zip lining, horse riding and trekking through the surrounding meadows and pine forests. With this, our beautiful short Kodaikanal trip ended. We hope you like this as much as we do. See you in our next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.